Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view all the accounts you've blocked in Facebook. Blocking accounts can be a useful feature to maintain your privacy and control your online interactions. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the steps to access your blocked list on Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head over to the Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook to find the official app. Step 2. Look for a white F with a white background. Tap on it, then select Install to download and install the app onto your device. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Step 5. Next, tap on the gear icon positioned in the top right corner, right next to the magnifying glass icon. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information. Step 7. Continue scrolling until you reach the Connections section. Step 8. Tap on See More to reveal additional options. Step 9. Finally, tap on Blocked to access the list of accounts you've previously blocked on Facebook. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view all the accounts you've blocked in Facebook. Taking control of your blocked list is essential for managing your Facebook experience. Keep in mind that you can modify this list as needed. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing on Facebook.